Jimmy Fallon. I'll be making sure that you get through this experience in one piece. You've got the very best guide.
Nick!
And the greatest driver.
Ben!
You're the best. I love that. Even though
Nick!
owes me $5. I know you guys are excited to get on the tour, but first, a few safety rules.
That's right, Jim. We have just a couple of safety things to go over real quick before we get too far. First off, if you need guest assistance of any kind at any time, like you have a medical emergency or you drop something of value off the side of the tram, you have any sound or radio issues, just reach up and grab that red cord that runs along the center of the ceiling of the tram, and I'll be back to assist you as soon as it's safe to do so. Unless that is the case, please remain seated at all times throughout the duration of the tour. There's also no smoking on board this tour of any kind at any time. Also be prepared. We're going to be having some loud noises, sudden tram movements, fire effects, a couple water effects, so have those cameras out for a break photo opportunities so they don't get too wet. Find you for the safety of yourself and those around you. You can see we have a lot of selfie stickers on the tram, but please don't.
B-E-A-U.
That's right, Chris. B-E-A-U. Lots of famous actors have lived here on Boston Street. It's one of our most popular streets for that kind of downtown living area sort of look. Although not just famous actors have lived here on our Metro sets, also some pretty famous cars. And I'm talking specifically about the infamous DeLorean from Back to the Future. Because here we are in Courthouse Square. Some of the decorations from that made this area Baltimore from Hairspray Line are still headlining. Keep those out as well. But this is the infamous Courthouse Square. That courthouse on your left-hand side is the same courthouse from Back to the Future, as well as all these other classic films, including Bruce Almighty, which we already talked about a little bit. For those of you that have seen Back to the Future, or who are just looking at the monitor right now at that courthouse, and then looking at the courthouse on your left-hand side and thinking, are you sure that's the courthouse from Back to the Future? That doesn't look anything like the courthouse from Back to the Future. Are you trying to pull the wool over our eyes? No, I promise, I'm not lying. I'm totally honest. That is the same courthouse. The problem is, after the Back to the Future series, that movie franchise made that courthouse so incredibly popular among folks like yourselves, and so recognizable, that as soon as anybody else wanted to film here for any production, they had to put a large facade over the front of that courthouse, or change the front of it in some way, so that it didn't. American Ninja Warrior, actually, two of their competition days every season happen right here on our New York Street. Their office, of course, runs the length of our New York Street. Although I don't want to talk about New York too much without consulting somebody who's been there more than me. I've never actually been to New York myself, but my co-host Jimmy Fallon's been there quite a few times. He'll probably tell you a little bit more about it. Jimmy, take it away.
Hey everyone, welcome to New York! I got my start right here in New York on Saturday Night Live. This is actually my old neighborhood. Once got mugged over there by an old woman. Tough lady. This is my favorite hot dog guy. Hey buddy, how's it going? Remember me? No. Just like old times. Gotta love New York City. Hey! I'm walking here! Hey, it's cool guys. I was just walking there. So it's not exactly New York, but a lot of times when you see it, there's an experience. Oh man, the
Oh, right there, Dustin. Over there.
Volkswagen engine with a Ferrari fiberglass shell around it because the Ferrari engine was way too loud for filming. So they added Ferrari sounds later in post-production. Of course, some cars from the Fast and Furious franchise. Couldn't have a car section without them.
Yeah. What is that, Dustin?
Oh, what if
Oh, that's Flintstones.
Well, as one of my
That I want,
pretty
see?
quickly,
Fast and
something's
Furious.
missing from
That
that. Can you
one?
guess
Yeah.
what that is?
Me too.
That was the Skyline
What's
right
missing
there.
from the drive thru?
Yeah.
The glass, exactly, that's right, exactly. The glass is missing from that drive-thru. More accurately,
Look at that car.
the glass was never
Oh,
there.
that
There was
one.
never any glass in that drive-thru at
That's a
any point
weird
in
one.
time. The thing about glass is it's reflective, right?
Transformers.
So if you try to film into
Oh.
glass, you're going to be getting the reflection of everybody
Oh, the
behind the
tank!
camera
The tank!
in that glass. It's going to destroy your movie magic. You're going to have the same problem with lighting
gonna
as
shoot
well. Try and shoot your lighting into the other side of that glass, especially when it's a sphere of glass. The actual Jurassic Park franchise. Everything around here was actually used in one of those films, including this mobile lab unit on your left-hand side. That's the actual mobile lab unit used in Jurassic Park, The Lost World, the one that dangles over that cliff when it's being attacked in the rain. That's the same one. It might look like it's made out of pretty sturdy metal, but it's actually all plywood painted to look like metal. You can also see some of our dinosaurs here in their cages.
They're not.
They got.
Oh,
Oh, look right there, Dustin.
I'm so sorry
Right here,
about that.
Dustin.
Especially about the giggle there. Some of the folks on the show really got to know that word. To say it, not spray it, but it doesn't mean they quite get what it
I'm
is.
so
That
scared.
valuable lesson yet. I'm so sorry. Maybe next time he visit us here at the World Famous Universal Studio Tour. Now,
Oh, do that.
those of you that have seen the Jurassic Park films will be able to agree with me almost immediately that weather plays an incredibly
Oh.
important part in those films,
Mommy, it's
especially
not about
rain,
you.
right? You need
It's
that
not
rain
about
to
you.
make those dramatic scenes all that much more dramatic. We don't get a lot of weather of any kind besides sun, really. So when we need to get that weather on our film, we need to make it ourselves. But I don't like talking so much about weather. We have our own weatherman right here on the show with us from the Today Show. Al Roker, take it away.
Hi everybody, here's today's forecast for the
Sit
University
down
of
properly,
Iowa.
Dustin. Huh?
It's going to be sunny and dry.
Watch.
6.6.
Watch. What's gonna happen?
Snow and sleet on New York Street. High chance of precipitation for Skull Island, Amity Island, and then New York. That's the forecast for today. Now here's a look at what's going on.
What happened?
Thank you very much.
Dustin.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Huh?
Keep an eye for that. So here we are in the old Mexico section of our backline. We've just seen a lot of cool stuff, including
Start raining?
beyond borders with Gary Sinise. And it's actually started raining. That's kind of weird. It was raining a second ago, right? Well, a lot of you probably noticed by now it's only raining over one side of the tram. That's what we call 50-50 chance of precipitation here in Hollywood. It's actually being created above your head, this rain. It's a very sophisticated system known as a sprinkler system. Shooting that water up in the air, falling back down to the ground naturally using gravity. Those rain droplets are actually quite a bit bigger than the droplets you find in nature, and so the camera can pick them up a little bit easier. In fact, in the black and white film days, they couldn't pick up those clear droplets at all. Water filled into that rain system. Okay, looks like Al was dead on everybody. Hold on to the flash flood.
Look, Dustin.
There we are, that's our flash flood effect here in the old Mexico section of our backline. That effect was